Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at question 2 of SPM at Maths Paper 1 2017. So let's take a look at the question together. Right. So diagram 2, Diagram 2 shows part of the curve y equals to fx. Alright, so we have a graph of fx there. Now, the shaded region is defined as the integral from a to b fx dx is equal to 4. Alright, so we want to keep this in mind. Now, so they ask, state the value of a and b. Now, so to write this clearer, so they're saying that the integral from a to b fx dx is equal to 4. Now, what this actually means is that the area bounded by the curve and the x-axis from a to b represents 4 units. So it's actually referring to this particular shaded area here. So it's 4 units. Sorry, that's n. Okay, so it's 4 units squared. Now, so it's saying that from -1 to 5, the shaded region represents 4 units. So the values of a and b is actually, whereby a is equal to -1 and b is equal to 5. So those are the values. So from -1 to 1, that represents 4 units squared. Now, how about b? It is given that the area bounded by y equals to fx and the x-axis from -1 to 9 is 12. Hence, find the value of the integral from 5 to 9 fx dx. So they're saying that from -1 to 9, okay, which is from this point up to this point, the total area refers to 12 units squared. Okay, refers to 12 units squared. So what it actually means is that, okay, in written form, -1 to 5 fx dx plus 5 to 9 fx dx. Okay, but we want to put that because remember that when you actually calculate the integral for any area that's below, it turns out a negative number. So we do not want that. We only want the positive value, or in this case the magnitude. Alright, so we put a modulus there. Then it refers to 12. So everything is equal to 12. So this part over here, we already know that the answer is 4 units. So it's 4 units. So from here, okay, let me write that down here. So the modulus of 5 to 9 fx dx is equal to 12 minus 4. You get 8. So that's good. But of course, to find the proper value of this integral is to actually have a negative value. So remember, when it's below the x-axis, it will always be a negative number. So the true value of this integral, of this definite integral, is actually -8 units. Okay, so remember that. So the answer here, okay, let me remove all that. So the answer here is actually -8 units squared. Okay, so but since they don't put units, so it will be pretty safe to just put -8. So that's the answer. Thank you for watching.